Most women they complain about them. Say they go their relationship for a year. The man go hide down from there. Say they never felt born for us. Why the same women when they in Nigeria, they complain say from Makate go house, they go lie say they never felt get wife for a year. They go house, go do marriage. Why they say the relationship for a year? And what did the thing say they cause? Is it like now the woman attitude not good, or na get wetin they cause? Say most women now be like they can't and say okay, if my man go house na Facebook they go see say man go house go do wedding. Why the man still the relationship?
Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you very much for that question. That is why we tell people say whether man or woman, you say there's a way God is doing it, God is doing things. Picking whether look, let me give myself an example. Before I came to Europe, before I come Europe, I get big boy for us. I get picking for us, big boy. So I met my wife here. Then the first day I met my wife, we play everything. Is the same first day? No. Sorry to say, not before my wife will come, almost the same day. It's the same day. But before he arrived, we don't talk on phone. I tell him, look, I have a son in Nigeria. There was about 2 years old. So he said, wow, you quiet. I said, what do you quiet? I said, don't quiet. I said, what if I can't laugh for you? I said, no. I said, this is what I tell you. I don't say, no how. Definitely you must only ask me this question. Maybe within a short period, you will ask me this question. That's why I tell you, I have a son. Because we discussed to the extent that we say this thing. So, you know, it's okay. I have a son. I said, yeah, I have a son. So I said, what do you cook? I said, no. I said, because that's why that I said the truth. If you like, continue with the race. You don't like, he agree with me. We continue. Until today, is the woman who have 4 kids for me. My first son, he have 3 sons for me here with 1 girl. Automatically, I have 5 kids. You understand? So it's good to say truth no matter what. If you are a woman, say the truth. If you are a man, say the truth. Because why? I learned from my ex-girlfriend. That my ex-girlfriend is only happened to my ex-girlfriend. My ex-girlfriend then, his senior brother, he was friendly 1 girl. And this girl was having a baby girl, 8 years girl. 8 years old in Nigeria. I came into this country in 2004. Okay, 2004. Plus, let's say 2004. That was the girl was born 1998 also 98. Yes, 98. So they were together in relationship for many years. This girl never tell this guy that he have a daughter that completed 8 years before I came into this land, 2004. So sometimes this guy will also have money on my phone. That's what call your parents. You also call this guy, this lady parents, and they will say the funniest thing, the reason why this guy take annoying, the most annoyance of this guy, he say okay, his mama last born never even get mama. No know that he was this guy daughter. The guy go see greeter and baby I say with you sir, uncle I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm doing good, I'm studying well. When say na girlfriend he born now, and the girlfriend tell the guy say na their last born. Nadia second. This my guy girlfriend. His girlfriend is senior sister, second senior sister. I can't say, my brother, he does see as put money for this family. That girl will they greet you last after everything. Now your girlfriend, now he born her. What is this guy? This guy with one man. He mad. Let me say, he mad for street. He mad. It's an Igbo. This guy is an Igbo. This guy is an Igbo. I'm from Benin. He mad. Then my girlfriend was an Igbo. Then. So that's why this story happened. Don't make me say they say I was aware. Because this is the same guy. This happened to. Now it's not my girlfriend. The same father, same mother. So this guy man, it's like based on my encouragement, everything, he survived it. But today they are no more. That is why if get one friend you, even though you tell them say you get 10 children, he go friend you. If you like, he go friend you. You as a girl, if you have 4 children in Nigeria, if you tell your guy say I get 4 children, guy will like you go friend you. Only said Donald Tagwe, I'll be more like a biogoma. I'll be more. So it's very good to say the truth.
Before say, if you go Nigeria, na to marry from Nigeria, na better pass all these kind of women when they see for years. So since those let us say no, say better women they here, not be.
Yeah, thank you very much, my brother. That one, really. I always said the younger one, even especially the men. Really, we are in Europe. People in Europe, they don't understand what is going on in Europe. People in Nigeria, they don't understand what is happening in Europe. I know they may understand few of it. Now, so men they do shoro, men they hustle, men they do shoro. No, it doesn't end like that. Oh. As a man, before you go marry for Nigeria, carry come Europe. Sit down first, so think about it. Because think about what you want face. If you go marry for Nigeria, carry come here. To start with, you don't know I, don't know B, don't know Z. You know it matter about speaking BB English Nigeria. That of BB English, once you call that for airport, here go end. Consider the environment, the man who is going to marry you. I prefer any man want to go and marry in Nigeria, I'll bring it here, marry here. Any woman you marry here, you know the condition of this country, you know the situation of this country, you know how to manage, you know how to systemize. A woman want to go and bring in Nigeria, come here. I don't say it didn't good though, but if you wish, no problem. But I'm trying to say that if you marry here, the woman will understand you better. If he they go understand you, if he not they go understand you. You understand? So I prefer a man that live like 5 years or 6 to 10 years here. I prefer a marry here than Africa.
I just say over do working. You tell me now we do who taiwebo or your pigeon or anything. We if your boy you even on your can. What taiwebo?
If your boy you gui.
No taiwebo.
If your boy you even you pull hand where you not supposed to pull hand, and you pull hand for all soup.
If your boy you woman, if your boy you even on your can. Your canning. I know what taiwebo.
Taiwebo. Because over the Pataki, understand? You will feel body women yakan. What I do? Edo, who
I explain it? Like,
okay. If you boy you in yaka where anywhere. What you put your hand, what you make, what that is what.
So many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?